This is a video on how to extract those little white plastic buttons that hold in the metal trays in your ULine wine fridge. We're talking about these little guys right here, which you will have to remove if you're trying to change the thermostat. So, I made a little mock-up from my spare parts bin to show what you're up against in getting this button out. On the inside, there's this exploded collar that the push pin explodes out, and it's removing this pin that's pretty tough to do. I'll show you what it looks like when it's taken apart already. So this pin pushes in the collar and explodes this out. There. And the problem is that when this is all the way pushed in, the top of the collar piece is right up against the pin. So it doesn't work to just pull on the head of the pin. You have to separate the two. So the way to do that is with a small flat blade screwdriver. If you can get this in between the two, like so, and then when you get it in there, rotate the screwdriver, and that'll free up the pin, and then you should just be able to pull it apart with your fingers. So let's give that a try with a real thing here. Let's see. Rotate this around to, how about, yeah, let's do it like that. So, get the screwdriver in here, and you have to get the corner under the head there, and just flip that, and then pull the pin out with your finger. Now, a word about when you go to put this back in, leave the pin out and flush up this collar piece to the clip, and that'll keep this the same diameter as putting it back in the hole. And then it should be able to just push back in and put your pin in, and you're good to go.